Hey guys, here we are, skate day 2021. As you can see, I have a free park right now. It rained a little, the thundered this morning, so I'm sure it scared off some skaters for the time being. But I'm first to the skate park this morning, and I'm feeling to get some good skating in, hopefully before it gets too crowded here. And we'll see where the day goes, but hopefully you guys enjoy some of my clips I'm gonna post. Yeah, get out there and go skate. This is our day, guys. This is the skateboarders' day to get out and enjoy this and to promote, skaters to try skating for the first time. So, everybody get out here and let's do this. So, during my warm-up, I've come to notice that a lot of this is still pretty wet on top, and there's a lot of grass, like they just cut the ground recently, and it's not swept up or moved off the park, so I think I might run back home real quick. Do everybody here a favor and sweep up some of this grass and dirt and stuff and get it off the park so it's not a nuisance later on. So why don't we do that? Clean it up and back at it. Hey guys, so I got the park cleaned up for the most part, wiped things down with a towel, trying to dry things out a little bit. So far so good. Most of the park's cleaned up. Mostly everything's drying now, so not too bad. But I just happened to notice this. Looks like these skateboards, their shop must have been around to drop some drinks for everybody. And, well, shout out to them. That's awesome. You guys go around dropping that stuff off for Go Skateboard Day. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, so let's get to skating. Whew. Well, got a good amount of skating in for this morning, but I haven't really eaten all day, so now it's time to get my grub on. So I'm gonna go down and grab some food, get my energy back up, and then back to the park for a little bit. Let's get it. Good day, bye.